Imagine feeling in control of every dollar you earn and spend. That's the power of personal finance. We will share 5 practical steps you can take, whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your money skills. Personal finance is simply the way you manage your money, earning, budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting yourself against unexpected costs. Think of it as the roadmap for your financial journey, helping you take charge of your money rather than letting your money control you. First, define clear goals. Short-term targets might be paying off a small debt or preparing for next month's rent. Long-term goals could include saving for a down payment or retiring comfortably. By specifying both, you give your budget purpose and direction. Next, track what comes in and what goes out. List your income and fixed expenses, then allocate funds for variable costs and goals. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. When you know exactly where each dollar is headed, you can make intentional choices rather than reactive ones. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected travel. An emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses means you can handle these surprises without tapping into credit cards or loans. Keep this fund in a liquid account so it's ready when you need it. Debt can weigh on your financial freedom. Identify high-interest debts like credit cards and create a payoff plan. Reducing your debt not only saves on interest but also frees up cash flow for savings and investing. With debt under control, turn your focus to long-term growth. Regularly contribute to retirement accounts. 401ks and IRAs leverage compound interest, potentially multiplying your savings over time. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly. Managing personal finance is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process of goal setting, budgeting, protecting, and growing your money. Start with small steps today. Define your goals, set up a budget, and begin building your emergency fund. Over time, these habits can lead to lasting financial confidence.